Ready na? Okay. Are you guys complete? Hindi tatakbo. Diyan lang kayo. Stay lang kayo sa no running. Okay. Ready? Oh, good. You guys are familiar with charades, right? Okay, good. I don't have to explain it like further, but there's a what a normal charade is, one is gonna act, right? But this time, one will guess and the rest of you will act. Okay? Actionary! Okay, reverse charades to ha. Lorna yung charades. But one will act and the rest of you will act. Pero, time. Hey, act no. Don't give a sign of the wow. So act, okay? One will guess. No, just act. No sign or something like that. No, don't give a sign. No, like that. Okay. Okay. You can choose one person who will guess. And there's a timer. The one who will get the shortest time will be the winner. Okay. Now one at a time. Tapos you have to pick a letter. And then whatever the letter you pick, that's the one that you're going to choose from Cecil's list. And then you're gonna the school will act. Okay? Okay, sample natin. Sample natin kailan kuya. Okay, sample. Okay, try tayo ha. Ang sa kanila. Hindi naman to them. Show it to them. Okay, show it to them. Those who will have will be the one to stand here. Dito kuya. Dito kayo. Those who will act, dapat isa lang, sabay-sabay kayo mag-act. Measure na. Hindi nyo malilit ko si kuya ha. Yeah. That's why it's a reverse charade. Kasi in normal charades, everybody will guess. This time, everybody will accept the one who's going to guess, right? Okay, so ang goal is malito kayo. So dapat yung mag-a-act, hindi kayo parang isang i-act nyo siya, yung mag-guess. Mag-guess. Guess? Words or whatever, good time. Tagalog or English, or whatever. Sample lang ha. Yeah, you can do that. All English na lang para hindi na malito. All English words, okay?
Syllables. Ano, English?
English lahat.
English lahat.
Letter C. Letter C.
Letter C.
Chewing gum.
Chewing.
Yeah.
Chewing.
Kaya kung isa lang manguna, matatagal sila. Dapat lahat sila manguna. It's
Ano yan?
Kasi baka mahirapan.
Chewing.
Isa lang
Chew.
eh. Dapat supposed to be lahat sila mag...
Choke.
Letter C. If you want to pass, say pass.
Pass.
Chicken.
Oy.
Okay.
Chicken.
Chicken.
Thank you.
Okay na. Okay na.
Sasabihin namin kung anong letter. Okay. Okay, sige. Ayaw na raw nila ng...
Hindi ka dito, doon ka sa kabila.
Tayo na tayo.
Kasi parang... O, okay, fine.
Kalaban yan! Kalaban!
Yung mas mahirap reversioning. You guys wanna go with the reversion with the normal one lang.
Di ba yung stage ba?
Yes lang po.
Mahirapan siya magmula eh. Kung marami nang hula, easy. Mabilis kasi marami nang hula. Ano yung mas masaya?
Okay, a normal charades na lang daw.
Ano risk?
Sige pa nakalimutan yun, di ba
Then
naman?
what's reversing once you try to different one? Okay, reverse charades. Tuloy, reverse charades. Okay, the one try to... Okay, let's start with...
Mahirapan na hula, promise. Mahirapan kayo. Kaya namin yan.
Kaya ko yan.
Mas maganda kayo maraming
Sige, decide nyo muna kung ano ang sabi ko.
Sige ako.
Oo, di ko alam kung sino yun.
Hindi niya maintindihan kung saan siya titingin. Ano ba ito? Iba-iba akong hindi ko maintindihan.
Chewing gum! Chewing gum!
Chewing gum din yun. Pwede rin chewing gum. Candy. Tapos chicken. Hulaan.
Okay. Okay, these people will do the reverse.
Pagdireta. And then each have the same word. So it's at the same
Ayan, tapos letter C.
Okay. Sige.
Spaghetti.
So this one to there, one to here. And then the
Ano ba yung ano nila?
we can try.
Isa lang, isang word lang.
Yeah, we can do whatever. But then if we can do two teams though, and then they each are acting the same word at the same time, so it's a race. So whoever guesses it first.
Chasing now.
No. We're getting
Later.
Oh, we're guessing.
Okay. What's the letter?
It's the same word po. Like they're
Same
all the same word.
word.
So it's a race po.
Okay, same word. Si Kuya na lang.
Ganun na, brother Norman. There you go. And then you show all of us the word.
Yeah. So one word, i-act nyo, then there's
One
your
word na
guess.
pala.
One word, same word back?
Yes.
Okay, same word. Whoever did it, answer it first is the winner.
Letter pa lang yun.
Anong letter? Letter. The word starts with the letter F. English.
Ay, dapat ganyan.
Yeah.
Letter F daw, letter F.
Oh, lakas ng aso ah.
F. Same word. F.
F word. So just tell me po, what is the word of the word? And then you tell
Si, si Brother Norman.
Yeah. F word nga. F word? Kasi start with F eh. The F word. And then hula niya. Hula niya.
one word lang naman eh.
Okay. Okay. Next letter.
That's another F word. Kaya nga. Try lang.
Okay.
It's the same word.
Oh, mahirap daw sabay. Timer na lang daw. Mahirap daw sabay.
Oo, timer na lang.
Alam mo yan, sir. Bakit ako kasi binubulong?
letter F pa rin ba to? F.
Sapol? It's 1 point.
Nahantok pa ako.
Letter A.
F pa rin?
Walang F, ha?
Ano pa rin?
Okay, game?
Letter F.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, family!
Ang bilis, di ba?
Letter C, okay? Letter C.
Baka mahuhula. Sino mahuhula sa akin? Sino mahuhula? Sino mahuhula sa akin?
Hindi na kayo sa tingin.
Ay, wag na nakita niya word. Nakita ko yung word.
Letter. C. Anong letter? Letter ano? Letter C.
Ay, ang hirap.
Wait lang.
Walang gagalaw.
Letter C. Wait lang po.
Tignan mo si ano, ha?
Okay.
Okay na?
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go!
Camel!
Point. Camel. Ano yung camel? Okay, 2, 1. Gusto daw nila silang mauna. Okay, 2 points, 1 point. Okay, ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go!
Congratulations, Richmond.
Bring your prize here.
Tingin na, for the win, brother! Ang letter!
No, tiebreaker, that's it.
Ang letter! Kami, Rose!
Kala ko din, tinik-tinik eh.
Wow, ano ba lang ha?
Okay guys, last one.
For the win!
For the win na daw. Letter R.
Letter A!
Ang hirap niyan!
Guys, one word daw to, one word. Starts with letter R. Okay? For the win na. Guys, ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Last one.
Ang hirap niyan!
Halika.
Ako naman mahilig na kumain ng raspberry. Nakabalik sa lang.
Okay, guys. R again. Letter R. For the win. Guys, tiebreaker.
Take her, take her!
Letter R. Okay, R again.
Ito mo na ito. Ano, salita? Ay, salita.
Tama, no? Tama?
Pasuroli! Rudy!
Okay, guys, ready?
Lugi. Paano ko mahirap? Mga mahirap eh.
Nakuha niyo ba yung word?
Eh, banta mo na lang sila para
Basta
sa'yo.
mo na lang. Tiebreaker eh.
Okay, palitan na lang daw para fair.
For the win yan, for the win.
May premyo daw manahanin ng buto. Letter R.
Mahirap pa no?
Mahirap to, mahirap. Guys, ready? Okay. For the last one, okay? 1, 2, 3, go!
Tracy?
A land that is plentiful, where your streams of abundance flow. Blessed be your name. Blessed be your name when I'm found in the desert place. Though I walk through the wilderness, blessed be your name. Every blessing you pour out, I'll turn back to praise. And when the darkness closes in, Lord, still I will say, blessed be the name of the Lord. Blessed be your name. the name of the Lord. Blessed be your glorious name. Blessed be your name when the sun's shining down on me, when the world's all as it should be. Blessed be your name. Blessed be your name on the road marked with suffering, though there's pain in the offering. Blessed be your name. Yeah. And every blessing